Now students, see page number 6. I am reading our remaining paragraph. So all of you listen carefully. Now see this paragraph. This one. Consider another example. Now we are learning income and other goals. So to know not only income is important for us, but also other goals also important. So to know that, we have to learn another example. If you get a job in a far off place, students, if you get a job in a far off place, it means if you are getting job in another district, in another village, in another country, means far place where you are living from that place. Before accepting it, you would try to consider many factors. So as you get job, you will immediately accept it? No. So if first of all you will try to find out other factors also apart from income. You don't give the importance to the income only. Yes, I am getting a lot of salary, so I am not going to, we can say, the do or accept that job. So I will find out another things also. These are other goals, many factors apart from income, such as facilities. So you will see, not only you, okay, people, such as facilities for your family. So first of all, people, they check other facilities also. Other facilities are getting or not for families of your family, such as we can say the working atmosphere. Now working atmosphere, people can check the working place or opportunity to learn. Now can I learn, can I develop? Okay, I got a job and I'm working there, so I'm getting good salary also there. So can I develop myself by with work in future? So I will check this one also. This is also one of the important factor. Working atmosphere, opportunity to learn. In another case, a job may give you less pay. Now another example, this is the second example. A job will give you a less pay, means less salary job, but may offer regular employment. But you are getting regular work and employment. And one job getting more salary but not providing regular job and regular salary. This is the, we can say, the difference. Less salary but offering regular employment, that enhance your sense of security. So less salary but regular, so it provides job security, so you will give importance to that job. Another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security, and also leave no time for your family. No security, and you are not getting time for your family, so easily we can say the avoid to join such type of job. Means income is not important, This will reduce your sense of security and freedom. That time you will turn to decide. Now listen and see this paragraph, student. Similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals. Mix of goals means these are the different goals: job security, opportunity to learn, as well as the workplace. Now, all these are the mixed goals. Look at a mixed goal. It is true that if women are engaged in a paid work means women, they are working and getting a good salary also. Their dignity, underline dignity means respect. Their dignity in the household and society increases. If women they are working in a high paid salary job, so they will be respected. Where? In their families and by their family members, as well as in our societies also. However, it is also the case, this is also true, what? If there is a respect for women, if in our society, if other people, especially men, now they are giving respect to women at workplace also, there is a respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework. If more sharing of housework means the women, those who are working outside, those who are working those who are getting we can say those are working in a we can say in a factories, as well as in a educational field, so many workplace there, whatever their workplace, so by their family members, if they are we can say the cooperating, how? By sharing of housework means other family members they are helping to such women, those who are working, and a greater acceptance of women working outside. And women working outside means those who are working, so the people they are ready to accept them. So if this happens, so women they will show their interest for work, otherwise not. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. A safe and secure environment, so women, if they are getting high salary, so they will ready to work? No. If they are getting safe and security at workplace, safe and secure environment for them, then they will ready to work, otherwise not. Now last paragraph. Hence the developmental goals that people have are not only about better income, but also about the other important things in life, other important factors also important in their life. Understood? Very good. Now we will read next paragraph in next, means we can say the next topic in next clip. Thank you very much.